Do you know why X can't explain itself properly? Because it always changes its statements. Good day, my beloved viewers. I'm Kuya Ems and welcome to Chocolate Lapis. This is Sipnayan Symmetry and this is episode 2 in our series about the world of algebra. Today's episode is titled Algebraic Expressions: How to Speak the Language of X. For many students, algebra feels like a code with letters, numbers, and sometimes weird symbols. But don't worry, you don't need to be a math genius to understand this. An algebraic expression is simply a combination of numbers, letters, which we call variables, and operations like plus, minus, times, and divide. It's math's way of representing patterns or unknown values in the world. Examples: 3x plus 2, a minus 5, 2y squared plus 7y minus 3. Don't worry if you cannot understand this now. We will explain its parts later. So let's dissect this. An algebraic expression has several parts. Variable is the letter. Example: x, y, a, b, and so on. Coefficient is the number attached to a variable. In 3x, 3 is the coefficient. Next is the constant, which is a number that stands alone. In the expression 3x plus 2, the 2 is the constant. Term is the word used to describe each part of the expression separated by a plus or a minus. And operator, which are the symbols like plus, minus, times, and divide.
I'm X. Everyone's been out to find me.
I'm the part that never changes. Ever.
Algebraic expressions are math's language for real-world situations. Want to know the total cost of X hot dogs at 20 pesos each? That can be expressed as 20x. Add a 15 peso drink to it, then it becomes 20x plus 15.
Kuya Ems, I'm hungry but all we got served was algebra.
Perfect! Because math is also the key to stretching your budget. So let's go with simple problems. What is the coefficient in the expression 7x plus 9? So you remember that the coefficient is the number attached to the variable. So the answer is 7. Question number 2. How many terms are there in the expression 4x squared minus 3x plus 8? Again, terms are the parts separated by plus or a minus. Here, we have the terms 4x squared, negative 3x, and 8. So we have a total of 3 terms. Question number 3 is a simple word problem. A cell phone case costs 150 pesos each. If Lisa buys X pieces and there's a delivery fee of 50 pesos, write the total cost as an algebraic expression. We will let X be the number of cases, so the total cost should be the price per piece times the number of pieces, so that's 150x, plus a constant of 50 pesos, which is plus 50. So our expression becomes 150x plus 50. Dear viewers, don't be scared of letters in math. Remember, algebraic expressions are a way to express unknowns. We're like math detectives using clues to uncover the value of x. With terms, variables, constants, and operations, we can explain almost any situation in a simpler way. So next time you see x, don't panic. Just talk to it in the language of math. If you had fun or learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss out on our fun new episodes. We've got more adventures coming your way. History, science, and math, all with a twist of nerdy fun. I'm Kuya Ems, and I'll see you in the next one.